Dear parents, your uninterrupted attention is invited, as all enlightened parents would be keen to know about the age of the child at the time of admission to the GEMS and subsequently to formal school curriculum, extracurricular activities, writing readiness, etc. Replies to the questions ahead are purely relied upon the contents of the report of the High-Level Committee enacted by Government of India, comprising of Dr. Mrs. Shyama Chona, Convener of the Committee, Professor Krishna Kumar, Director, National Council for Education Research and Training, New Delhi, T.V. Kunnunkal, former Chairman, CBSE and former Chairman, National Institute of Open Schooling, Shri Ved Vyas, retired Principal, Modern School and Advisor, Vasant Valley School, Delhi, Professor Yashpal, Department of Pediatrics, All India Institute of Medical Science, Shri Ashok Ganguly, Chairman, CBSE, Circular number 1062-2861, dated 9th April 1997 of Directorate of Education. Order dated 7th March 2007 of Honorable High Court in respect to cut-off date for admission to Class 1. Education policies of various state governments of India. International practices in Europe and other developed nations. The National Policy on Education 1986 and Revised National Policy of Education 1992. The National Curriculum Framework 2005. 165th Law Commission report about the same. CABE Report 2005. Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, expert in mental health and child psychology. Dr. Sameer Parekh, expert in mental health and child psychology. Dr. Veena Kalra, Head Pediatrics, AIIMS.
What is the difference between preschool, known as playway nursery, kindergarten, foundation school, etc., and pre-primary school? And what is the correct age for each of the above?
Preschool. Based on the referred findings, reports and opinions, Honorable Apex Court very clearly spelt out distinction between preschool class and pre-primary school. It held that 1 year of schooling that a child undergoes before entering Class 1 is to be termed as pre-primary. Any schooling before pre-primary is and shall be termed as preschool. In view of the consensus opinion that emerged in the meetings held at various levels, it was concluded that minimum age should be 3.5 years for nursery, 4.5 years for preparatory and 5.5 years for Class 1.
What should be the total duration of my child's stay at the GEMS? And in how much time would he be a 6 levels pass out?
It is advisable to let your blooming bud grow here at the GEMS or any other preschool for at least 18 to 24 months, depending upon the age at the time of joining such a foundation school.
How would you promote him to next level?
Based on the various researches, we do not carry out stream promotions. Every child is individually monitored on the basis of his cognitive and co-native activities and without overstretching his abilities. Promotions are carried out as and when a child is ready for the next level.
When will my child be ready to join a formal academic school?
On completion of level 6 at the GEMS, your child is a nursery pass out and is ready to join pre-primary school.
When is writing readiness imparted?
Although a fixed time frame cannot be drawn in view of the discussion held, generally imparting writing skills begins after children attain 35 plus months of age.
Do you encourage the practice of homework?
Although internationally it has been accepted that writing skills should be taught only after 4.5 years, formal schools here in this part of the country expect that our little ones should have acquired writing readiness before they join them. As their class strengths are very high and individual attention is not possible at their end, we switch over to a child-friendly homework pattern when they attain 35 plus months of age. All this is done to meet the admission criteria of formal schools.